तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? ये मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. तुम ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? मुझे उससे बात करनी है. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him. तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. I really like this. I really like this. ये बहुत महंगा है. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? ये कहाँ से मिलेगा? Where can I find this? Where can I find this? मुझे आशा है कि तुम ठीक होगे. I hope you will be okay. I hope you will be okay. ये बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मुझे और चाहिए. I want more. I want more. तुमने मुझसे क्यों नहीं पूछा? Why didn't you ask me? Why didn't you ask me? ये किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मुझे इस पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. तुम्हारे साथ रहना अच्छा लगा. It was nice being with you. It was nice being with you. मुझे उस पर गर्व है. I am proud of him. I am proud of him. मुझे ये समझ में आ गया है. I have understood this. I have understood this. तुम्हें जाना चाहिए. You should go. You should go. तुम ये कर सकते हो? You can do this. You can do this. मुझे इस पर विचार करना होगा. I will have to think about this. I will have to think about this. ये बहुत जल्द हो गया. This happened too quickly. This happened too quickly. मुझे इसका कोई अंदाजा नहीं था. I had no idea about this. I had no idea about this. तुम इसे बेहतर कर सकते हो. You can do better. You can do better. ये समय आ गया है. The time has come. The time has come. मुझे ये उचित नहीं लगता. This doesn't seem fair. This doesn't seem fair. तुम मुझे बताओ. You tell me. You tell me. ये कब तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? मुझे यहाँ रहना है. I want to stay here. I want to stay here. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मुझे वो चाहिए. I want that. I want that. तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है. I am not used to this. I am not used to this. तुम इसे क्यों लाए? Why did you bring this? Why did you bring this? मुझे और समय चाहिए. I need more time. I need more time. ये बहुत जल्द खत्म हो गया. This ended too quickly. This ended too quickly. मुझे उस पर विश्वास है. I trust him. I trust him. तुम्हारी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. I have nothing to do with this. I have nothing to do with this. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मुझे अच्छा लगा तुम्हें देखकर. It was nice to see you. It was nice to see you. ये कितना समय लेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will it take? मुझे वहां जाना है. I need to go there. I need to go there. तुम ये बात कैसे जानते हो? How do you know this? How do you know this? मुझे डर लग रहा है. I am scared. I am scared. ये बहुत कठिन है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. तुम मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझे वहां नहीं जाना है. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. तुमने ये कैसे पाया? How did you find this? How did you find this? मुझे इसकी समझ नहीं है. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. I am very happy. I am very happy. ये कौन कर सकता है? Who can do this? Who can do this? तुम इसे क्यों नहीं करते? Why don't you do it? Why don't you do it? मुझे इस पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. ये बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It is too late. It is too late. मुझे इसकी आवश्यकता है. I need this. I need this. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मुझे ये नहीं करना है. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. तुम्हें वहां कैसे पता चला? How did you find out about that place? How did you find out about that place? मुझे इससे डर लगता है. This scares me. This scares me. ये मेरे लिए क्या मायने रखता है? What does this mean to me? What does this mean to me? तुम इसे अच्छे से कर सकते हो. You can do this well. You can do this well. मुझे यहाँ कोई पसंद नहीं है. I don't like anyone here. I don't like anyone here. तुम क्यों रुके? Why did you stop? Why did you stop? मुझे इसकी आदत पड़ गई है. I have gotten used to this. I have gotten used to this. ये बहुत छोटा है. This is too small. This is too small. तुम्हारा जवाब क्या है? What is your answer? What is your answer? मुझे बहुत थकान महसूस हो रही है. I feel very tired. I feel very tired. ये मेरे लिए नहीं है. This is not for me. This is not for me. तुमने ये क्यों चुना? Why did you choose this? Why did you choose this? मुझे विश्वास है कि तुम ये कर सकते हो. I believe that you can do this. I believe that you can do this. तुम मुझे बहुत याद आते हो. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. मुझे इसके बारे में और जानना है. I want to know more about this. I want to know more about this. ये मेरे लिए काफी अजीब है. This is quite strange for me. This is quite strange for me. तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? मुझे यहाँ से जाना होगा. I have to go from here. I have to go from here. तुम इसे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? मुझे इसका कोई फायदा नहीं दिख रहा है. I don't see any benefit in this. I don't see any benefit in this. ये मेरे लिए बहुत जटिल है. This is too complicated for me. This is too complicated for me. तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? मुझे इस पर कुछ सोचना होगा. I will have to think about this. I will have to think about this. ये बहुत आसान है. This is very easy. This is very easy. तुम इसे कैसे सुलझाओगे? How will you solve this? How will you solve this? मुझे इससे बेहतर उम्मीद थी. I expected better from this. I expected better from this. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is too big. This is too big. मुझे इस पर कुछ विचार करना होगा. I need to think about this. I need to think about this. तुम्हारी क्या ज़रूरत है? What do you need? What do you need? मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आता. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. तुम इसे कब तक रखोगे? How long will you keep this? How long will you keep this? ये मेरा अंतिम निर्णय है. This is my final decision. This is my final decision. मुझे वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए था. I shouldn't have gone there. I shouldn't have gone there. तुम्हारी क्या योजना है? What is your plan? What is your plan? मुझे ये बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है. This seems very difficult to me. This seems very difficult to me. तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? तुमने ये कब सीखा? When did you learn this? When did you learn this? मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. ये मेरे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important to me. This is very important to me. तुम्हें क्यों लगता है कि ये सही है? Why do you think this is right? Why do you think this is right? ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. मुझे और कुछ चाहिए. I need something else. I need something else. तुम इसे क्यों लेकर आई? Why did you bring this? Why did you bring this? मुझे इससे कोई शिकायत नहीं है. I have no complaints about this. I have no complaints about this. ये बहुत बुरा है. This is very bad. This is very bad. तुम इसे कैसे उपयोग करते हो? How do you use this? How do you use this? मुझे ये करना पसंद नहीं है. I don't like to do this. I don't like to do this. तुम इसे बेचोगे कब? When will you sell this? When will you sell this? मुझे ये जानने की ज़रूरत है. I need to know this. I need to know this. ये किसने कहा? Who said this? Who said this? मुझे उसकी मदद की ज़रूरत है. I need his help. I need his help. तुम इसे कैसे ठीक करोगे? How will you fix this? How will you fix this?
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.